welcome back to the class. How are you all? I hope you are all enjoying the pandemic situations well. We have completed 4A. The man is without beast. So the lesson completed is, the center point of the lesson is moving around the environment. To save the environment, to save the nature. The main intention of the speaker in that lesson is saving the nature. And the poem also, part B, the river. The name of the poem is The River. And the poet name is Mr. C.A. Bowles. C.A. Bowles is the poet of this poem. Okay? And this is also related to nature. The river. What is river? How many of you like traveling? Mostly all, I think 100 out of 100. Spending time closely to nature is a beautiful one. See, today morning the weather is very pleasant. If we open the window, nicely snowing and very beautiful air from the trees and the flowers moving. What a beautiful feeling to enjoy. A great emotion, is not it? Is not it? It is an enjoyable choice which we feel every time to live on. Is not it? So, nature has such a great one. Nothing will get it. We don't get enjoyment even by living with crores or by living in millions. Nature has such a great magic which we enjoy, which we live happily, which we forget. See, if you have to get recreation, spend some time under the trees. Sit any near to trees and see the nature. Go outside when it is raining. How beautiful feeling it is. It is a very imaginary feeling which we enjoy. And the poem is The River poem. I am going to read page number 77. Okay. What are the feelings of the poet towards river? What are his emotions? What are his feelings towards the river? How he is describing the river? Because river will not be flexible one, sustainable one, that it will be in one place. It moves on, is not it? So when it moves on, how he has explained and related his emotions, his feelings with the river. Now we will see in the poem. Okay. First stanza. River, river, little river, bright you sparkle on your way. Oh dear, the yellow pebbles dancing through the flowers and foliage glancing. So river, river, little river, bright you sparkle on your way. Bright you sparkle on your way. Your flow sparkling brightly. Your flow sparkling brightly. You go dancing over the yellow pebbles. You are dancing with the yellow pebbles. What are pebbles? Stones will be under the river, right? Once who had a habit of swimming, who has a habit to see the rivers and oceans and small seas, if we go there, we will find pebbles like stones, smooth stones we will find. Is not it? And you glance to the flowers and leaves of trees, dancing ball like a child at play. Means what? A child. So when a small child, even for a small thing also, when it listen a song also, it will dance. Small child, a girl or a boy, first, even if you laugh, they will laugh. If you cry, they will cry. If you dance, they will dance. So a small child, when it is dancing, you are also dancing. Means what? The water flow will be in a river water flow. So he is comparing that. He is comparing the way is like a child dancing. A small child when it dances, how it looks. So you are also looking like that. A beautiful comparison. I am reading. River, river, little river, bright your sparkle on your way. Oh dear, the yellow pebbles dancing through the flowers and the foliage glancing like a child at play. Like a child at play. When you are moving, you are the flow is looking like when a small child is dancing, how it looks. It is looking like that. So I am enjoying everything. I am enjoying everything he is saying it. River, river, swelling river, on you rush through rough and smooth, louder, faster, brawling, leaping. over rocks by rose banks, sweeping like impetuous youth. River, river, swelling river, on you rush through rough and smooth, louder, faster, brawling, leaping, over rocks by rose banks, sweeping like impetuous youth. Here, whole little river, your flow sparkling brightly. That is first stanza. So, he's in the first stanza, he said that you're shining brightly. Means what? The river flow will be very shining. And in the second stanza, oh rising river. Rising river in the sense, sometimes river flow will be high. It used to rise on. The water used to fall on us. Is not through the waves, is not it? You rush through your places and smooth places. Smooth places only you will rush. You are brawling or leaping. You go by rough rocks and banks where roses grow. Now you are like a reckless youth. See, in a life, in the stage of a life, stage of a man of a life, how many stages we have? See, when we are a child age, is not it? See, completely, we are like a small children, baby. After that, we will be like a small children who used to grow, youth, adult, okay? And when one age it comes, middle age, then old age. In the life of a man, these many stages we feel. And these stages he is comparing with the river. First stage he is saying that you are like a small child who is dancing. And in the second stanza he said that youth, blood, how it will be? Very roaming. Now see how will you feel? I am a boss, I am everything. Even we don't listen to parents, even we don't listen to teachers. If they say everything is wrong, this is not your fault. It is a fault of your age. Yeah, one age it blues you, it bluffs you in such a way that you are rocks, you are everything. In that age, some children, some students will be balanced, they will be controlled. Then their output will be fantastic. Means even whoever will come, they don't disturb them. Their mind will be flexible, their thoughts is flexible. They don't change. Amma, this is my family, this is my ambition, this is my school, this is my education, this is my life. That's all. They will stick to that. They don't divert their mind. So they will lead a balanced life. But in that age also, youth feelings will get demanded. That's the reason, many of the students, they will not be under their control. They will not be under their control. Others' influence will be putting on their minds. They will see the others. Hey, my classmate, he is enjoying like that. I am not enjoying. See, he is not reading. Why I should read? He is not reading. Why I should read? So they will start comparing like that. Youth engage. But some students will not be. Even if he read or not read, I don't know. My duty is to read, write, going. That's all. They will stick to this. Then they will lead a balanced life. Means what? They will be strict on. This is my life, this is my family, that's all. I have to balance it on. There, they will lead a balanced life. He is comparing the river's flow also with us. In first stanza, he said that you are dancing like a child. And in the second stanza, you are running like youth. Only where roses grow, you will go to that place only. Only where rough stones are there, you will go there only. See, the poet is saying it. And the third stanza, like impetuous youth, river, river, briny river, broad and deep and still as time, seeming still yet still in motion, tending onward to the ocean, just like mortal prime. See here, river, river, briny river, O river, which is full, now you are broad and deep and motionless as time. Though you see motionless, you are in motion. You are moving towards the ocean. Now you are like a young man. Young man, young age will come. Young age will be, which is right, which is wrong. This age will tell us. Movement. What is motion? Motion in the sense it is a movement. So you are looking like that there is no movement in you, but there is a movement in you. You are looking that there is no movement in you. It is looking that you are very clear. No, there is a movement in you. So you are moving towards the ocean. Why? The river started moving towards the ocean. It used to be get diverted into the side of ocean. It wanted to turn its face to the ocean because in age which diverts our mind, and we have which direction we have to go, what decision we have to take, what is our ambition, what is our thoughts. Everything it will be impacted and shown very clearly in the age of youth age, right? So you are going to divert into the side of ocean. Why? Because now you are like a young man. Childish age, a child has gone, and adult it is gone. Now young age it has come. Now he is youth. So now there is no movement I feel, but there is a movement in you. You are diverting. Your thoughts are getting diverted. You are going to divert into the side of ocean. You are going to move your face. So be balanced. It is a caution age, a caution thought. See, two stages are very important, students. Now this teenage, the most dangerous stage. Okay, the blood it flows you in such a way, it boosts you. Hey, come on, you are a king, you are a ruler to your life, you do whatever you feel. But whatever it feels, self-control if we have, no one can disturb you. There is a caption that no one can disturb you until your concentration is good. I don't say until your concentration is good. Until your concentration is best, no what me, what anybody, what someone else, no one disturbs your life. Until you are very clear to your thoughts, who is the other people to disturb your thoughts? So that's what the age is, youth, young age. So in this age, you be balanced. See, the poet is comparing the personality, a person with the river stages. What a beautiful feeling. Last stanza. River, river, headlong river, down you dash into the sea. See that line hath never sounded. See that sail hath never rounded. Like eternity. See, O river, you move quickly down into the sea. The sea depth has never been measured by a weighted line. None has gone by ship completely round the sea, which can be compared to eternity. So, he is going to say that when anything goes wrong, river definitely one day or the other day, it has to get clubbed into the thought of sea. It has to be clubbed into the thought of ocean or sea. It has to get clubbed on. It's not it. One day or the other day, the river has to turn its face into the side of the ocean or sea. It has to get diverted on. So one day it happens definitely. But in that way, when can be compared to be measured the depth size of ocean? Of course, in the way of science we can. The weight and the depth of ocean into the measuring is very difficult. So when you are going to divert your way of moving into the side of ocean or sea, be careful. It is going to say very clearly. None has gone by ship completely round the sea, which can be compared to eternity. See here, no one has, we can't say the dead point of the sea. There it ends, there is the only place it is last. Whenever we travel, it comes on. Whether that may be the sea, whether that may be the river, whether that may be the ocean. We can't show the dead end place to the place. See, for example, I am walking. What is a dead point to this class? That point. And from that side, this is the dead point. It's not it. But we can't show the dead point to the sea or ocean or the river. And we can't measure the depth of the river or ocean or the sea. So it is impossible. Like that, a man's qualities also can't be measured with his habits. One day or the other day, his face may change. It happens. See, the poet he had conveyed, he had compared the stages of a man with a river flow. How a river is going to change, he has compared the stages: child age, teenage, young age, old age. See, what is the last stage? We will be dependent on the other. Means what? One stage when come, we will be dependent on our children. We will depend on our children, is not it? Like that, a river gets clubs in the way of sea or ocean. So, sea or ocean will not have a dead point. That's what he had conveyed in this poem, students. I am reciting it. Lastly, just open your books, be ready. River, river, little river, bright sparkle on your way. Oh dear, yellow pebbles and dancing. through the flowers and foliage glancing like child at play. River, river, swelling river, on you rush through rough and smooth, louder, faster, brawling, leaping, over rocks by rose banks, sweeping like impetuous youth. River, river, briny river, broad and deep and still as time, seeming still, you still in motion, tending onward to the ocean, just like mortal prime, river, river, headlong river. Down you dash into the sea, see that line had never sounded, see that sail had never rounded like eternity. Okay, poem is over, students. All you have to do is that just write the glossary, new words, glossary and question answers of this poem from textbook. Okay, write new words, glossary and question answers of 4B from textbook in classroom. Okay, poem is too short, so it is very easy to write. Okay, complete the notes carefully, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.